Subscribe to the Man Excel channel and press bell icon to never miss any video update. One of the most powerful way of displaying confidence and dominance is focused eye contact. I will show you that how to use your eyes to express dominance, power and warmness in your personality. That will make you a dominant alpha male. Various studies have shown that people who make higher level of eye contact with others are perceived as being more dominant and powerful, more attractive and likable, more trustworthy and confident. Therefore, learning how to make effective eye contact is very important if you want to be more confident and dominant like an alpha male. In this video, I will tell you that how you can be more confident and dominant by just improving your eye contact. Alpha males hunt with their eyes. Eyes of the alpha male describe everything about their self. Their eyes express dominance and confidence. Eyes are the windows to the soul. When you will make eye contact with the other person, that person will feel some kind of power and energy in you, and that person will find you attractive. And when you fail to make eye contact with your listeners, you look less authoritative, less believable, and less confident. Now I will explain in detail how to be more dominant and confident by improving your eye contact. Highly dominant eye contact. We all are taught to look into other person's eyes while communicating with them. It is considered as a sign of respect. Looking at someone and looking down is a sign of submission, but as an alpha male, you will never do that. Let's suppose you met a group of boys and girls, and you want to come across as a highly dominant person to that group. While interacting with them, keep your chin little bit up. Keeping your chin up keeps the eyes from looking down, and as we know that looking down is a sign of submission. Holding your chin high allows your facial profile to be seen more easily by other person. By sticking out your chin, you are making yourself vulnerable to attack, and at the same time you are displaying more dominance. Don't keep it too much high, otherwise you will come across as a highly arrogant person. And then you will focus your eyes on the other male's forehead. Keep your eyes sticked to their forehead while interacting with them. By staring at their forehead, you are saying, I am more powerful than you, I don't respect you, and everything is under my control. They will perceive you as a highly dominant and confident person. Extended gaze. When you are at any social event or somewhere out, don't move your eye just to look here and there. Move your eye with purpose. Narrow your eyes on the particular thing on which you are looking. Hold eye contact with that person. Make your eyes contact expressive. Other person must feel expression of confidence and dominance in your eyes. Whenever you reach at any event or social gathering, scan everything with your dominant eyes. Movement of eyebrows. When you will make eye contact with any person, as I told you in the previous two steps, maybe that person will find you highly dominant and arrogant. He might get afraid of you. After meeting any person in a dominant way and while interacting with that person, start doing up and down movement with your eyebrows according to the expression. That eyebrows movement will send signal to the other person that you don't pose any threat to him, and he will be totally fascinated by your personality, because we subconsciously express this to the person who are harmless. When you will do this, that other person will copy you and he will perceive you as a friendly person. If you will not follow this step, other person might find you as a threat to him. Therefore, doing this is very important if you don't want to threat that person. You will express both dominance and warmness in your personality. Always remember, don't stare at any person while making eye contact. And always concentrate on shifting your eyes back and forth between their eyes. This will make your eye contact expressive. When you will follow these steps, you will instantly feel power and energy of dominance in yourself, and you will become a highly dominant and confident alpha male. Guys, if you find this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss any video update.